everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie. I'm a graphic designer, and in today's tutorial I'm going to do a simple but very cute 3D text effect. So I'm going to start by using the type tool to type my name, but you can go ahead and write whatever you like. Then I'm going to select my 3 words here. I'm going to scale it up and change the font to something more groovy. For those of you that don't know him, I have my son, which is my little sidekick, and he's always in the background of my videos making his funny noises. So now I'm going to make my text all uppercase and then select everything and create outlines. Then I'm going to select all the words and align to center. And I'm going to move them closer together. And again, select everything, go to Object, and Distort. I have to go down here. Envelope and Distort, make with Wrap. So I kind of like this arc effect, but I'm going to go through some of the other styles to see if there's something I like better. They are all very interesting, but I think I'm going to go with the arc effect. This is also cute, but I want something that's whiter on the bottom and smaller on top, so you can read the design bigger. So I'm going to go with arc and then bend it with the bottom larger. There we go, not too much. And press OK. Then I'm going to go to Object, Expand, OK. So now that I have my text, I'm going to select everything and change the color. And I'm going to use a bright pink. Let's see. Here, like a magenta. So now that I've selected the color that I'm going to use for my text, I'm going to zoom in just because the font that I chose has these built-in bubbles here. So I'm going to use the direct selection tool to select them one by one and delete them, because I will be adding a 3D effect. So this would ruin the effect that I want to create. Otherwise, they are cute with the font. Okay, I'm going to speed this up just because it takes a while. And now that my lettering is ready, we can proceed to select it. Click Control-C to copy and Control-B to paste in back. And I'm going to change the stroke and fill to black. And since this new version of Illustrator doesn't have the top bar, I'm going to use the stroke panel, which I don't have. I'm going to add, here it is, to make the stroke of the copied text that I pasted in the back thicker. So I'm going to use 20, and then I'm going to make the corners round. Go to Object, Expand, OK. And then I'm going to go to Pathfinder, Unite Everything, and use the Direct Selection tool to delete these little cutouts here. So we have one shape that is in the back, and it goes around our text. Alrighty, so now just if you want, you can add some simple little shapes just to decorate the text. So I'm going to use the shape tool to add some stars. I'm going to add a 5-point star here. And I'm going to use the direct selection tool to select just the outer points. Not all of them, just the outer ones, and round them just slightly. Now I'm going to make the star a yellow color. Actually, I'm going to go more on like an orangish. There we go. And okay. And then I'm going to make a dragged copy by selecting the star and dragging while holding Alt. And bring it over here. You can add hearts, flowers, or just leave it without anything extra. I'm just going to add some stars to add some extra color. There we go. And then I'm also going to use the star shape tool again. This time add a star with 4 points. I'm just going to leave this one as it is. I'm not going to be rounding any points. And I'm going to rotate it a little bit and make a dragged copy and add another one next to it. And I'm going to select both, make a dragged copy again and bring them over here. Switch out the positions a little bit, move them around. And this time I'm going to select just the 4-point stars and change the fill color to a lighter yellow. There we go. Now I'm going to select all of these stars that I added, the dark ones and the lighter ones, because I'm going to add the black behind them as well. So I'm going to select all of them, Control-C to copy, Control-B to paste in back, and change the stroke and fill to black. Again, I'm going to go to the stroke panel, change the stroke width to 20, just like before, and make the corners round. Go to Object, Expand, OK. And then I'm going to right-click, Arrange, Send to Back. Select the black that I already have behind the text and go to Pathfinder. I accidentally deselected, so I went to Select by Color and Black, and then select all the black parts, go to Pathfinder, Unite. Alrighty, so here comes the fun part. I'm going to select everything, go to the 3D panel. I love the new 3D panel of 2024, and go to Inflate. And here it is, as simple as that. It already looks great. 3D effect, so simple, so cute, and super easy. The only thing I might fix, I'll show you shortly. So I'm going to add a background color. So I'm going to zoom out, use the rectangle tool, and add a rectangle that covers the board. Then I'm going to right click, Arrange, Send to Back, and change the fill color. I just speeded this up because I'm going through a lot of different colors. I'm undecided, but I'm going to go with the orange. So back to the 3D, the only thing that I'm going to fix is the text. So I'm only going to select the text, open the 3D panel, and go over here to metallic and increase this so that it fixes the texture and highlighting. It gives it more of a like gummy effect, kind of like a rubber. And that's it, as simple as that. So you can play around with this. I'm not going to add it to the black because it looks better without the metallic effect. And all finished. Thank you so much for watching. As I said, I love this new Adobe Illustrator. So I started out with like a few simple tutorials just to see how it works, but as I said, it has so many cool features that we have to get into. So I will be uploading some new tutorials. Stay tuned and don't forget to hit subscribe. Ciao!